Very good morning to everyone. Myself, Doshi Brushti from 8C. Respected father, sisters, teachers, and my dear friends. Prayer. Prayer is a form of communication with God. It is one of the most important things for any person who has faith in God. And he may be a Hindu, Christian, Sikh, or just about anyone. It is an opportunity to put our body and mind to state of peace. In simple language, prayer is a way of spending time with God. I request everyone to stand up and take prayer position.
Eternal God, Creator of all, I firmly believe that I am now in your presence. I adore your divine majesty and I ask of you to enlighten my mind that I may know you more clearly and to move my heart that I may love you above all things and my fellow beings. Help me to be a torchbearer of your wisdom.
I would like to invite Chala Mai for the thought for the day.
Good morning everyone. I am Mahit Jhala from Standard 8C and today I am here to say the thought of the day. And the thought of the day is, if you fail to achieve your goal, change your strategy, not your goal. I repeat, if you fail to achieve your goal, change your strategy, not your goal. The above thought means that goals are what we want to achieve in our life. Without goals or aim, we are directionless. Setting goal is easier than to achieve it, but we can achieve it by working hard on it and choosing an appropriate strategy. Sometimes for most of the people, their goals much value for them in their life, and when they don't achieve it, it breaks their heart. The best solution for this is to find the reason for failure and come back with a proper strategy. So friends, sometimes it is important to change your strategy for achieving your goal. Thank you for listening my thought. Stay home, stay safe and have a good day.
Thank you, Jana Mai, for giving us an inspirational and motivational thought for the day. Our life depends on our days. Do something new every day. Have a nice day ahead.